Listen to me. If you are retired, or if you are anywhere near that retirement finish line, I need you to stop what you are doing and pay close attention. When you enter retirement, every single dollar you have earned over a lifetime of hard work becomes precious. You do not have the luxury of making mistakes with your cash reserves, and you certainly do not have time to let big banks siphon away your hard-earned money with sneaky monthly maintenance fees, ridiculous minimum balance requirements, or fine print traps. So many of you have been writing to me asking one specific question: Susie, I want to keep my cash safe, I want to earn a decent interest rate, but how much money do I actually need to open a Capital One account? Is there a catch? Do I need $5,000, $10,000, or a giant lump sum just to get started without getting hit with maintenance fees? I am going to give you the answer straight, right now, with no sugarcoating. The amount of money you need to open a Capital One 360 checking account, a Capital One 360 performance savings account, or a Capital One 360 CD is exactly $0. Zero. You do not need a single penny to open the account. There is no minimum deposit required to open it, no minimum balance required to keep it open, and zero monthly service fees. Now, why does this matter so much, especially to you as a retiree? Because I know what terrifies you. The biggest fear in retirement is running out of money, or putting your money somewhere where fees eat away at your principal while you aren't looking. For decades, the big traditional brick-and-mortar banks have tricked retirees. They entice you with a cozy branch down the street and then quietly charge you $12, $15, or $20 every single month if your balance dips below their threshold. That is your money. That is money that should be buying your groceries, paying your health insurance premiums, or funding visits with your grandchildren. When you are living on a fixed income, whether it is Social Security, a pension, or withdrawals from your 401k or IRA, every fee is a pay cut. Capital One's 360 accounts take that threat off the table. You can open an account today, transfer whatever amount fits your comfort level, whether that is $50, $500, or $50,000, and you will never be penalized for having a small balance. Let us talk about safety, because I know that is another massive worry on your mind. You ask me, Susie, if I am opening an account that can be managed online or through a phone, is my money safe? Is this a real bank? Listen to me very carefully. Capital One is an FDIC-insured institution. That means your deposits are insured up to $250,000 per depositor for each account ownership category. If you have a joint account with your spouse, that protection doubles to $500,000. It is backed by the full faith and credit of the United States government. Do not let fear keep you sitting in a legacy checking account earning 0.01% interest while inflation erodes your buying power. Here's the problem I see so many retirees facing today. You leave your cash sitting in a traditional checking account at a local bank because it feels familiar. But that cash is earning virtually nothing. Meanwhile, high-yield online savings accounts are paying real, competitive interest rates. With Capital One's 360 performance savings, you get a great interest rate on every single dollar in the account, with no tier systems and no hurdles to jump through. You do not have to deposit $25,000 just to unlock the higher rate. A $1 balance earns the exact same annual percentage yield as a $100,000 balance. And for those of you who still like having a physical location you can walk into, maybe to deposit cash or talk to a human being, Capital One offers something unique that many purely online banks do not. They have Capital One cafes and branches across the country where you can get in-person assistance, grab a coffee, and manage your account. So what is your actionable takeaway today? How do you take control of your financial destiny right now? First, look at where your liquid emergency fund is sitting today. Look at your bank statement from last month. How much interest did you make? If you have $20,000 sitting in a traditional savings account and you earned 50 cents last month, you are losing money to inflation every single day. Second, go to Capital One's website or download their app. You can set up a 360 performance savings account or 360 checking account in about 5 minutes right from your computer or tablet. You will need your Social Security number, your date of birth, and an ID. Remember, you do not need to fund it instantly with thousands of dollars. You can open it with $0, link your existing bank account, and transfer over an initial deposit whenever you are ready. Third, set up your direct deposits if it makes sense for your cash flow. If you want your Social Security checks or pension payments deposited directly into an account that gives you instant access with no monthly fees, you can do that seamlessly. And finally, assign payable on death beneficiaries to your account immediately. This is a crucial step for estate planning that so many retirees forget. Capital One allows you to add beneficiaries directly online so that if something happens to you, your money passes smoothly to your children, grandchildren, or loved ones without going through costly and painful probate court. Stand up for your money. Do not let fear, confusion, or inertia keep you in financial accounts that take advantage of your loyalty. You work too hard for your money to let it sit idle or get eaten away by fees. Open an account with $0, put your cash to work where it is safe, earning interest, and working for you, because you deserve financial peace of mind in your retirement years.